Welcome everybody, and today we're going to do a classic Privada unboxing. Now this is something I haven't done in a while, especially since Brian started the Behind the Box series. However, this month has some really good and exciting cigars, and it inspired me to go back to the roots of this channel and do an unboxing. All right, and we're starting this unboxing with something special from Kendrick Kellner Jr. This is the son of Kendrick Kellner, and he does things on his own terms with his own factory. He's only putting out about 250,000 cigars a year, and they're all super premium. And the club got this 73 from him. 73 represents the year he was born, but that's really all that we get because the blend is undisclosed. I think this is the same person that made the Smoking Jacket. That was a great cigar, so I'm looking forward to this one, and we'll see how it is. All right, now moving on to what Brian is calling the cigar of the summer. This is the Mango Cedar. Comes to us in really nice packaging. It's got this outer, heavier, shiny stock. It's got the tissue paper, and I saw it in pictures. It also has another band. So it's not unbanded with just kind of wrapping on it. It does also have its own band. This one comes out of a factory that Privada hasn't worked with in the past, and it's actually blended by one of the rollers who rolls this cigar for himself, and it's exclusively the only blend that he smokes himself. So Privada got that blend in this Mango Cedar, and I'm certainly looking forward to smoking it, especially with this packaging, the name, and that backstory. It's a pretty cool backstory. As far as the blend on this one goes, we got the wrapper is an Ecuadorian Habano. The binder is a Nicaraguan Corojo. The fillers are Mexican San Andres, Dominican Olor, and Nicaraguan Esteli Corojo. I don't know if I pronounced Olor correctly, but there you go. That's the blend that we got on here. And I'm definitely looking forward to this one. Plenty of hype around it. So not only does it have a ton of cool packaging and a great blend with a good backstory, it's also got plenty of hype on social media as well. All right, so in my opinion, I saved the best for last, and we've got the Padilla Catcher in the rye. Ernesto Padilla worked with Raíces Cubanas to blend this in Honduras, and allegedly it's got a ton of flavor, and it's packed with unique flavor notes that I can't wait to see if I can taste when I'm having this cigar. Everything I've had from Padilla has been awesome, so I'm really looking forward to this Privada exclusive. And as far as the blend goes for the Padilla Catcher in the Rye, we've got a Honduran Corojo wrapper, Brazilian Matafina binder, and as far as the fillers go, we've got Dominican Piloto Cubano, Nicaraguan Corojo 99, Honduran Corojo, and Honduran Criollo. So for me, this is a box full of cool stuff. We've got something from Kendrick Kellner Jr. We've got the Summer Smoke, the Mango Cedar from a new factory that we haven't worked with in the past, and blended by someone who rolls cigars all day and actually has a blend of his own that made it to Privada Cigar Club. That's pretty cool. And even with those two in the club pack, I'm even more excited about this Padilla blend. So definitely this monthly box has enough to keep me excited for the next month for sure. So for this month, I also got a farm roll delivery. The cigars, you'll see them in the pictures. They all look premium. The wrappers look super good. And it's nice. It's a takeover from the San Latano factory. And I've got no complaints about my farm rolled subscription. Looking forward to those as well. So there you have it. A nice old school unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy the video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. I've got more content on the way, and have a good one.